Ever feel like starting a business is impossible unless you have a pile of cash just lying around? Well, that's a myth. Let me show you the truth. On one side, we have the misconception that you need thousands of dollars to launch an online business. But here's the reality. With just a laptop, some coffee, and the right guidance, you can start your own digital marketing business without breaking the bank. My course takes you step by step through everything you need to start your online business. From a free funnel to a supportive community, live mentoring, and replays of every session. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Minimal investment, maximum results. Don't let the myth of needing a huge investment hold you back. The tools and resources are right here, and they won't cost you a fortune. Ready to bust that myth and start your journey in digital marketing? Click the link in the description to learn more and join our next live session. Your dream business is closer than you think. Join today and start building your future.